Each recycled plastic bottle gets a second life as soft polyester fiber.
This synthetic fiber is derived from recycled PET bottle flakes and also has many advantages that make it popular in various applications. The journey to recycled polyester begins with the collection of plastic waste, including bottles, containers, and packaging. These materials undergo a meticulous sorting and cleaning process to remove contaminants. After cleaning, the plastic is crushed into small flakes or pellets. The pellets are then melted and extruded into fine fibers that can be spun into yarn and woven into fabrics suitable for a variety of fashion applications.